My second rant is about Teclast. They launched a tablet P30 Air with MediaTek Helio P22 chip with Android 12. The price is around $120. Teclast, it's an 8-core chipset, a 10.1-inch display with 4GB RAM and 64GB built-in memory. It's an affordable tablet with a full HD display with 60Hz refresh rate and 120Hz touch sampling rate. It has 300 nits brightness and it is 7.8 millimeters slim, made out of metal. The chipset is horrible, P22. I don't know why they're launching it. It's got dual SIM 4G. It's got an 8 megapixel camera on the back and 5 megapixel camera on the front. It's got GPS. There will be no updates. Once you buy it to Android 12, it will always remain in Android 12. Good to see it's a cheap tablet, but they have to actually launch in more markets and maybe a better chipset. Anyway, like, share and subscribe for more videos.